Board of School Education kalapan banai ya ka result jangka examen Hsslc ha ka santri ujemang ahja pusan ya ka result jangka arts science commerce but vocational lapan banai ha ka juk kapor ha ka jingpuli arts Neev Sharma na Don Bosco College Higher Secondary Section Tura wala yo saus pa sa pramarks wala yo ka kerdan ka basaw ha ka top 10 kadbana ka science u Samridhya das na Don Bosco College Higher Secondary Section Tura wala yo ka kerdan ka bashipau ha ka top 10 Hakaba wala yo sounds pa san pau marks. Neev Sharma habai kram kila pathai kubo lo ong bo kwa manit puli BA LLB namar bo yo mansim na ukpa it jong u badairu unong ya sad an. La ajing mudru ikibe pat ki khana puli bakin dei himaki kinong ai mansim yaladi. Samridhya das habai kram kinong pathai kubo la ajing mud iki khana puli ki badang kham hadien ban puli bha omtang ban shu puli bun kabamut ban khre kot hok bat daka jing pele jimut kabajanai watang khandiat kentaru bat ba amde ban puli bon kenta khlam pele jingmut ru em ya baro arngo ki samla puli lale burom ki samla puli ka Don Bosco College Higher Secondary Section Tura haringkar ka jinge don lang jungi kimi ki pa u Dr. Father Jogesh B Sangma STB ubadi u principal bat kinong hikai jong ka Don Bosco College Tura.
My result was 448 marks total. From art stream, I stood in the 4th position in the whole of Meghalaya.
So, how do you feel?
Grateful and filled with gratitude that I got this opportunity and that I scored this much. I've never expected this much from myself, but then I guess it was just my hard work and also my teachers, my institute. I would like to thank everyone who has supported me in this journey, including my teachers, my professors, all my parents, and my mother and my father. Each and every person who has supported me, who has shown trust in me. Even when I was down, they were the ones who motivated me. So I'm really grateful for that.
So how's
I actually did not do much. I studied 5 hours, 5 to 7 hours max, and I just tried to think and learn the basic points. If your basic is clear, you can do everything, and a good basic base can actually help in writing and making all your answers and all the preparation will be done when you know the basics. And details are also very important, since even questions might even come from small details which you might skip. You might think this is not important, but that might come in the exam and you'll be stunned because I was.
So, what are your future plans now after 12?
I'll most probably do BA LLB from Bangalore, and I was motivated by my grandfather to do this. He was my biggest motivation even in my 12th, 10th. Always he's been my greatest motivation. My late grandfather was a very good lawyer, lawyer Hsslc Sharma. I'm very grateful that he motivated me from the very start till the very end. And in the future as well, I will always keep him as one of my idols, and he has been an idol figure for me from the very start. I felt always motivated and grateful through his achievements. By seeing him achieve things, I felt motivated to achieve my own goals.
So, lastly, what word of advice would you give to your juniors?
I would like to tell my juniors that you should keep striving forward and not get demotivated by just one failure. Remember that you have to strive forward. It's you are your own motivation. Even though others might feel overwhelmed, society usually doesn't let you feel happy even on your achievement. So please be your own motivation, and remember that you have to strive forward. You are the one who has to achieve the goal. So set your goals high and try to achieve them. Even in the sight of failure, try to achieve your goals and don't feel demotivated.
I stood 10th in the Meghalaya Board School Education. I'm a student of the Bosco High School. I scored 450 marks, 90 percentage. I'm somewhat happy with my results. I got good marks in every subject. I also did well in mathematics, which is like a challenging part for me.
So what was your motivation?
My motivation has always been the same. Like I used to go to college and come back home, rest for some time. Then I also took tuitions. I studied in tuitions. Then I came back home and rested. And that's what like every normal student would do. And then study for a while and then just sleep.
So
Regarding advice, I just want to tell my students, my juniors, that whenever they study, they should always study with their full concentration, even if they study for 2 hours, 3 hours, because studying qualitatively is more important than quantitatively.
So lastly, what are your future plans after this?
I'd like to pursue with engineering. I have interest in electronics, which is a very good future scope for India.